Okay, we're just doing a room tour here of 11248 on Anthem of the Seas. We're just going to go into our room here. Right inside you'll see the thermostat and the light switch. And then to the right there's a big mirror with a lot of coverage. And then there's a nice area here on the wall where we've put up some hooks that you can hang your different things on as you walk in. It's nice to have the magnetic hooks. If you look to the left then when you're in, you'll see the bathroom. You open up the bathroom, it's kind of a standard bathroom on Anthem of the Seas. You'll see that it's got the sink, plenty of storage. You've got the 3 shelves, plenty of storage for things, and then underneath there's storage and a waste paper basket. It's got the tube shower that's pretty standard on this class of ship. Very nice. It's got good water pressure, good hot water in here, so that's good. Next to the bathroom there's a hook that we've got like hats and some umbrellas and stuff on. Really nice. It's good good for hanging things on. Then next to it you got the closet, the first closet in the room. When you open this up you can see that this is a full hanging closet, and it's got everything in it. It's very good. A lot of formal nights on this cruise. We're on a 17 night from Honolulu to Sydney. This is our 15th day, so we've been in the room now for just over 2 weeks. You can see they have a couch next to the first closet. It's nice, it's comfortable to sit on. On the right hand side then there's the desk. On the desk you have a big mirror above the desk with the light around it to light up so the ladies can do their makeup. The chair here, it goes all the way under, but it also comes out. The desk itself pulls away from the wall. You can actually move that anywhere in the room you want. We've got it in its standard configuration next to the wall. You can see the power solutions there. There's a 2 American, 2 USBs, and then next to that there's a European. We've got a converter there that has many USBs on it. That helps us with our charging. But as you can see, there's also a couple switches here. The first switch here turns on the light, as you can see, for the ring, for the mirror. And then the second one actually turns the light on above the curtains to go outside on the balcony. Next, you got the little chest of drawers. And on the chest of drawers here, on top, first you got a kettle. Usually they will put new coffee in there. They've got taster choice packets of instant coffee, so you can make coffee. They've also got some tea. You can get other varieties of tea in the Windjammer. They don't have any cream though, so if you want cream, you're going to have to get some from one of the stations and bring it and put it in your fridge overnight. We've got an ice bucket, of course, we keep filled up, and there's a lamp there. Underneath, of course, here's the fridge. It's not a fridge, it's a cooler, but actually ours in this room has kept stuff very, very cold. It works very good in this room. Above it, of course, is the hairdryer and other drawers. Next to it, of course, there's 4 drawers for storage, which we've used very well. On the left-hand side, you've got the second closet. In this closet, you've got another hanging area. You got some shelves that we've got our clothes folded on. There's the safe there. And then all underneath this, you can see there's 2 drawers down there for more storage. Next to the side of the bed, on this side of the bed, is the phone and a little storage area. No drawers on this, just little shelves, but it works. And then above the bed, you've got more storage here. As you can see in this, I've got my backpack, and I got another bag up here. Plenty of room for storage. There's another one on the other side. My wife has stuff in there. Across from the bed, of course, then is the television. It works great, but not very many channels. As you know, on a cruise ship, they don't usually have many, but that's okay. You don't come on a cruise ship for TV channels. Then on this side of the bed, closest to the balcony, you'll see that there is another little one of the shelves there, and there's another power solution there, just one American outlet. So if you're from any other country, bring some converters to convert to your power source. No USBs on this side, like I said. Then, of course, we go out onto the balcony. And then, of course, this is why this room is so special. Look how big this balcony is. It is very big. It only has 2 chairs and a small table. But the balcony itself is fantastic. It is absolutely a massive balcony. And as you can see, it's covered mostly, so even when it's raining or there's inclement weather, it's still beautiful. The seas are a little rough today. We are just 2 days out from Australia, so we're crossing between New Zealand and Australia now. But even with those seas this rough, the ship is still not moving very much at all. So that's just the room tour here of room 11248. And thank you very much for watching.